Are you trying to rank higher on the Google but lost in the sea of SEO terms? Well, today I bring you up with the lesson number 3 of SEO course for beginners, that is types of SEO. There are three main types of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. So when you do the on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO in a right way and implement the right strategies on all these types, the higher chances you will get to rank your website in the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So welcome to Digital Dynamo Rohit, and let's discuss these one by one. So the first one is on-page SEO. As the name suggests, whatever we do on the page, on the website, is on-page SEO. There are many things which we need to check in the on-page SEO, like title tags, meta descriptions, URL structure, heading tags, internal linking, mobile friendliness, image optimization. All these things are covered in on-page SEO. We are going to discuss all these one by one in my next lesson. In fact, my next lesson is on-page SEO. So we will discuss all these things in detail. The second type is off-page SEO. Again, the name suggests off-page. Whatever we do off the page, off from the website, or apart from the website is covered under off-page SEO. Basically, off-page SEO mostly cover the backlinks you generate for your website on the other websites, creating high quality backlinks through the strategies like guest posting, article posting, and news, information, social bookmarks. So all these covered under off-page SEO. We are going to discuss very soon all the techniques one by one under the upcoming lesson, which is related to off-page SEO completely. The third type is technical SEO, and we will cover all the technical things like website speed, mobile friendliness, schema markups, XML sitemaps, robots.txt files, structured data. All things will be covered under technical SEO. I will definitely create a separate lessons for sitemap, how to create them and how they are useful in crawling your website pages. Also related to robots.txt file. It's a very simple file and very short file, but how it is important, to allow the pages which you want to index on your website are going to crawl through robots.txt file. So I will create a separate lesson for robots.txt file. So now let's discuss why these three types of SEO are important. So first one is on-page SEO. What it will do? It will get your content ready for search. Off-page SEO builds trust and authority of your website. Third is technical SEO. It will make sure search engines like Google and Yahoo to understand your content and present it in a perfect way to the users. It's like a three-leg stool. Remove one and your SEO strategy gets wobbly. So here it is, the three types of SEO explained in simple terms. If you found this video helpful for you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the Digital Dynamo Rohit for upcoming updates related to SEO tips and useful SEO videos and information. If you have any query related to types of SEO, do not hesitate to mention that in comment section. Meet you soon in my next lesson, that is on-page SEO. Bye bye.